Okay, let's do a walkthrough here. These walls are gonna get done. We're gonna smooth coat them. Right now it looks ugly. And you can see I'm making this corner here. So this wall's been smooth coat. Let's see if I can back up. All right, so the hallway's starting to come together. Getting some holes in there. It's coming together. And let's walk straight back to down this hallway here to Unit D. He's gonna get his door on soon. And this is you walk in, this is the unit here. You can see my guys are getting ready to prime this thing and get it all painted out. That's where the big screen TV is gonna go. So it's looking really good. All smooth coated up, high ceilings. And in the bathroom, we'll also get a really cool tile splash right there. We just put that half window in. Okay, so let's walk out of here. And the hallway again. We're gonna do some cool stuff. Like right here, there's gonna be a trash chute. So I don't want people taking their trash out. Okay, so this is our way back in. Everything's smooth coated, it's drying out. And we're gonna walk in, this is Unit C. And it is all smooth coated out now. It's primed. It's looking good. It's getting ready to receive a coat of paint. Yeah, nice walls. Look how thick these window sills are. Real thick. Got some good insulation in there. There's no heater going in here right now, and it is nice in here. This one doesn't have a window, of course, in this one, but I'm gonna do some treatments, light the heck out of it. And this is where our kitchen's gonna go. It's really exciting. What we're gonna do there, some nice treatments, and the floors are gonna go in, and some movable walls there. So it's gonna be flexible space. This thing right here is gonna go away, and it's gonna open that space up, and it's gonna have a nice laundry room backpack there. And then you're gonna be walking straight through here to the other units when we get them. So again, we got a dark hallway now. This is the before, because there's gonna be some skylights and things like that. And all of this is gonna be smooth coated. So that's it.